Hello everybody, I'm Sean from Amomii and today I'm going to be unboxing the Mini Grand Mega Kit. Start by looking at the box. We've got the nice name and tagline here, and on the back it talks about the different focuses of the kit, the different requirements, and here it says what we should find inside. Starting off with the microcontroller, the amomii Uno, and then it's got the prototyping materials and it's got the Mini Grand materials. So already we can see that it's kind of broken into two sections of the prototyping and the Mini Grand kit. This theme follows on inside the kit. Let's pop it out the sleeve and see what we've got. Alright, so as you can see, we've got a nice array of things here, from the microcontroller to the prototyping equipment to the bits that are just for making the final project, the Mini Grand. Let's set them aside over here and look at them one by one. It comes here with an insert which is broken into yellow and orange. You start off learning about Arduino and coding and hardware by following the prototyping section, and then you follow the orange section to actually build your finished product, your Mini Grand. Alright, so for the prototyping equipment, we've got a breadboard. We've got our different materials which have a nice little information card inside there, again color-coded yellow for the prototyping section. We also have the amomii Uno included inside. And this is the microcontroller that will both be the brains for your prototyping section and will eventually be a part of the Mini Grand final thing. Next up, let's look at the Mini Grand material. So here is the naked PCB for the Mini Grand project. All of the components in here and in here needed to be soldered to here. Of course, there are plenty of assets online teaching you how to do this. And you have the casing here to build the finished grand piano. There's so much more to know and do with the Mini Grand Mega Kit, but as for the unboxing, that's about it. Bye bye.